Hey, how's everybody doing? It's PJ437 Motorsports. Just want to do a quick video. Wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, and a Happy New Year. Looking forward to 2022. Hoping to do some more productive things other than just working on stuff. I hope to possibly get to the racetrack one of my cars, or find one to purchase. But there will be maintenance videos for everything. Also, I wanted to thank everybody for subscribing, those of you who have, and to the new ones who may see this. Liking the videos and the comments, appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. So with the big truck, that needs a servicing soon. All the oil, fuel filter, need to do the trans. Want to get all that done. My Toyota, that needs a fuel filter, and I plan on replacing the carburetor, so that'll be coming up. The Camaro needs rotors and pads, and then the windshield needs to get fixed so I can get that back on the road. The Sonoma has pretty sure has blowed the head gasket again, as you'll see in a video coming up probably in the new year. I have a few videos already, just got to edit. What I'm thinking about doing with that is taking the 6.0 and the 4L80E out of the box truck and doing an LS swap, and possibly keeping it as a daily driver that way, because I really like the truck. Just the 4-cylinder in it is garbage, and the truck's still in good shape. So that's some of the things I got going on. Just wanted to give everybody an update because it's been a while since I posted anything. And thanks again. Enjoy your holidays. Stay safe. Be with your family and your loved ones. And thanks for watching. And do the normal stuff. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you would. Share some of the videos. And look forward to what's coming up in the new year. Thank you.